Here's a clear step-by-step tutorial on how to fix the issue. CCTV camera DVR NVR not recording caused by common problems such as no hard drive installed, full hard drive with no overwrite enabled, schedule or motion settings are misconfigured. Step-by-step tutorial, fix CCTV DVR NVR not recording. 1. Check if the hard drive is installed. Why, without a hard drive, HDD, the DVR NVR cannot save any footage. How? Power off your DVR NVR unit. Open the casing, follow your model manual carefully. Look inside for a hard drive mounted and connected with SATA and power cables. If no hard drive is found, purchase a compatible HDD, usually 1 terabyte or more CCTV-grade if possible. Install the HDD by connecting it properly inside the DVR NVR, power on the DVR NVR and check if it recognizes the HDD. 2. Check hard drive status on DVR NVR. Why? The device needs to detect the HDD as healthy to record. How? Access the DVR NVR menu via connected monitor or software. Go to the storage or HDD management section. Check the status of the hard drive. If not installed, repeat step 1. If not initialized or faulty, format or replace the HDD. Format the HDD if needed. Backup important footage first. 3. Check if the hard drive is full and overwrite setting. Why? If the HDD is full and overwrite is disabled, recording will stop. How? In the DVR NVR menu, go to Storage Settings or Record Settings. Look for an option called Overwrite or Loop Recording. Make sure Overwrite is enabled. This allows new footage to replace the oldest automatically. If it's disabled, enable it and save the settings. 4. Check recording schedule settings. Why? Recording may be scheduled only during certain hours or days. How? In the DVR NVR menu, go to Record Schedule or Schedule Settings. Check the schedule configured for each camera channel. Make sure the schedule covers the hours you want recording active, for example 24/7 or specific times. Adjust the schedule to include the desired recording times. Save the changes. 5. Check motion detection settings. Why? If motion recording is enabled but sensitivity or zones are misconfigured, no recording may occur. How? Go to motion detection settings in the DVR NVR menu. Check if motion detection is enabled for each camera. Adjust sensitivity level. Set moderately high to detect motion reliably. Verify motion zones. Make sure the camera's field of view has active detection areas. Test by moving in front of the camera and check if motion triggers recording. Save settings. 6. Check recording mode. Why? If the system is set to record only on motion, but there is no motion detected, no footage is saved. How? In the recording settings, confirm the mode, continuous recording, always record, motion detection recording, record only when motion is detected, alarm recording, record when an alarm triggers. Choose continuous or motion detection depending on your needs. 7. Restart the system. After applying all changes, restart the DVR NVR. Check if the system starts recording normally. Review recorded footage to confirm the recording is active. Summary table. Issue how to fix. No hard drive installed. Install a compatible HDD inside the device. HDD not recognized or faulty. Format HDD or replace if faulty. HDD full, no overwrite enabled. Enable the overwrite loop recording setting. The recording schedule is wrong. Adjust the schedule to include the correct time. Motion detection is misconfigured. Set proper sensitivity and motion zones. Recording mode is unsuitable. Select continuous or motion recording mode. If you want, I can also guide you through the menu steps for a specific DVR NVR brand model. Just let me know.